step into the Jeep 2019 Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are black cloth low back bucket seats, black clear coat, black 3-piece hard top included, freedom panel storage bag, rear window defroster, rear window wiper washer, no soft top, tires, 255/70 R18 all-season, STD, manufacturer's statement of origin, engine, 2.0 Li4 turbo torque included, 600 amp maintenance-free battery, 48V belt starter generator, delete alternator, wheels, 18-inch x 7.5 inches polished watt per gray spokes, STD, quick order package, 28 grams included, engine 2.0 Li4 turbo torque, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE, and transmission, 8-speed automatic.